Hi guys, it's Miss Michelle here, just sitting in my backyard enjoying the last few moments of summer. So as some of you may know, Miss Rachel, our speech therapy assistant, is fluent in American Sign Language. So we held a class a couple weeks ago that was wildly successful for our clients and anyone in the community that wanted to come learn American Sign Language. So we decided to be able to reach you guys better. We were going to do weekly videos. So I'll start with doing the first one today, but I hope that Miss Rachel and some of our other guests that do sign language will come join us and teaching you sign language as well. I hope you guys enjoy these. The first word I am going to pick is going to be name. So pointer finger, middle finger up like this, and just stack them on top of each other. Name. Name. Doesn't matter left or right. You can put either hand on top. So name. So in a sentence it would be my name, M-I-C-H-E-L-E. My name is Michelle. So again, name. My name, M-I-C-H-E-L-E. My name is Michelle. If you don't know American Sign Language finger spelling, you can look this up online, and there are different sheets that you can see, the different alphabet, and try it out and spell I would suggest spelling your name first. Also, we can do a tutorial in one of our videos on how to do the hand shapes and properly form them, so I'm hoping to do that in an upcoming video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy our American Sign Language tutorials. Thanks.